Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a few extra $1,000 a month or a week, depending on how hard you work, with this fantastic new software. And this is a software that creates creatives for Google ads and Facebook ads. And it also is partnered with Google and Facebook so that it is integrated seamlessly. And also it just added TikTok and social media creatives also. You can promote this software to the businesses themselves and to individuals that use them, and I will show you how to do that. So let's get right into it and jump on the computer. Okay, so here we are on the platform. It is called adcreative.ai, and this is a platform that generates creatives for advertising on Google and Facebook, and also now for social media. So all these ads are optimized to convert. So that's the greatest thing about this, because it's AI powered. The AI takes all that data and generates what's working, what doesn't work. And you can even get, it even has over 100 million free images that you can use for the creatives. You just type in like a subject line and then and type in which image you want, and it'll pull the image, it'll create the text for you, and bam, you have a beautiful creative already created. See, like these creatives here. So any business that advertises on Google or needs to be advertising on Google and Facebook can use this software. It's a fantastic software. I'm not selling it to you, but what we're interested in is becoming an affiliate to provide it to other businesses that can use it. So what we want to do is come down here to affiliate, click on the affiliate link, and then we can sign up here, become a partner. So you click become a partner and it will take you over to partnerstack.com, and you can sign up for your free account. Boom, 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 right there. It only takes a few minutes and then you're signed up. And then what we're gonna do is create links, come back here and create links. We'll keep this open. I've already got it open on the links tab and I already have an account. So here's the links. I've already made some custom links, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. But first, what we wanna do is come back over here to the first page or the home page of the adcreative.ai. And up here you can see that there is a $500 free Google Ads credit. And that's what we're going to be promoting to businesses and individuals to get in the door. So click on that, and what you want to do is just copy the URL, Control C, copy the URL, go back over to your partner stacks, and then paste it here into redirect. And this is the second box down. And that's what it will redirect over there. Now we want to make our custom link up here. So we're going to punch in like voucher -500 September 2022, and click create, and it'll create that for us. And you scroll down here, here's the default link. It'll take to the home page. Don't want to use that for this promotion. We want to use our custom link. So this is the one we'll copy, and now we have to find people that need this product. So if you have a list of email addresses of businesses in your area or anywhere in the country, you can just simply send them an email, introduce them to the product, and offer the $500 Google voucher, ads voucher, and then sign up, and then you automatically get your affiliate commission. So, but if you don't have that list, we're gonna go find some people and some businesses that need it. So we're gonna come over here. So what you want to do is come over to Google and type in, say, dentist. I typed in dentist, and then you can actually go by city. In Atlanta, I'll try that, and then click enter, and it'll pull up all the dentists in Atlanta. Now you don't have to go through all these and individually and try to extract their email address. I'm going to show you how to do that in a few simple steps. So come over here and hit Control U, and it'll pull up all the code. Control A, which will select all of it. Control C, which will copy it. And then you go over to this website called extractemailaddress.com. Now what you want to do is Control V, post all that code into this box here, and it will extract all the emails over here for you. So here you have all the emails, and you can just copy that, and then you can come over here to replace all the commas. You can put them all in here, and now some of these have the dots on them, so you have to get rid of those dots at the end of .com. So you go through there and get rid of those. Not all of them, just some of them. But you want to get rid of all these dots, periods at the end, because that will mess up our emails. It's not too much work. I mean, you got all these emails for free in just a few seconds. So there we go. So we take all these and we copy them. Come over to Gmail, our Gmail account. There is a caveat of using Gmail for sending emails. You don't want to send more than 20 per hour, but you can also use gmass.com to do this, which is I found to be pretty good. But if you're going to use Gmail, what you want to do is put in your subject, or your subject right here is your $500 voucher to advertise your business. And then over here in the recipients, you go to BCC, and then you can go Control V, and it'll put in all of the emails. Now get rid of all these, the ones with the numbers, the 22, and also these ones down here with the X22. You want to get rid of all those. You could have did that in the last step, but you can also do it in here. You really don't want to send more than 20 at one time in 1 hour. So you want to go through here and separate this. You can put these into a Excel spreadsheet, a Google Doc, anything, and just separate them 20 at a time, send them out every hour, and then you can send them out with a message that I'm going to show you. Let's see, I'm going to give you, so you can copy this right here. There's a subject line, your $500 ad voucher to get more business. Then you just control this. You just copy this here, Control C, come over and come down to the body and Control V. So now what you want to do is put in your affiliate link in here. It says click on the affiliate link. You definitely don't want to forget about that. And this says, I'm not going to try to sell you anything. I'm just letting you know how to get this $500 Google Ads voucher so you can generate more business. But I will receive a small affiliate commission if you get this voucher, if you get the voucher. I notice your business is not showing up on the first page of Google search, so you can use this voucher to advertise on the first page of Google. How to get the voucher, and this could be highlighted if you want. I'd like to see that bold, that would be great. And so we'll come over here, we will grab our affiliate link, copy that, come back over, and we'll put the link right here. There's our link. So it's in the email, and then we can go ahead and send it out. But as you see right here, it says 65. So it's gonna send out to 65 of these people. That's too many for Google, for Gmail. But if you have another email system, this would be great for that. Now, there's another way to promote this. If you watch one of my other videos, you can come over to Leads Leap and create a pro ad. You can also do it with a pro credit ad if you have enough credits. But as you can see, I have already created a few of these ads, and I got 15 in the last 7 days on this one, 32 on this one. You can have up to 10 ads running at one time. I have all 10. I don't have them all running. I have a lot of them running, so you can shut some of them off to get more traffic, because all your ads it's divided. All the traffic is divided by 10. So if you want more traffic to some of your newer ads, shut off some of your older ads, put them on pause, and then concentrate all the traffic on these ads here. And of course, if you click on it, it'll take you straight over. I think this one is gonna go straight over to the home page because I was targeting someone else on that. Let's see. For this one, I was actually targeting marketers. I was targeting the marketers right there. And this one, I'm targeting businesses. It'll go over to the $500 free Google ads. As you can see, it takes you right to get the free Google ad. $500 free Google ads credit. It'll show them how to sign up and get that right away. So that's a few ways to promote this. Also, if you've watched some of my other videos, you can use those free techniques to promote this, and you can promote it with anyone and then watch the commissions start rolling in. Let's go over here and take a look at this real quick. I just wanted to show you how much money you can make on this. The affiliates, if you come down here, it'll show you that if you bring in 10 paid signups, you'll earn $747.50 per month. So if you get about 30 signups, and I think that's a very doable goal for a month or for a year, even if you go slow at this, that'll be an extra $2,000, $2,200 and $22.62, I believe, per month. I think that's what it came out to. You have to check my math on that. But that's the video I have for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.